Okay, Deputy Attorney General Aba Bonten Ababe Schoolie, a former Chief Justice Sophia Akuffo with legal wisdom. Abusia Mameno Eba Edika Baye no stories bebre Ede Akroma over a year review on a year removal of former Chief Justice Tokono. Na Deputy Attorney General waba ababe humble mameno actually say we otenwa oye former Chief Justice pebe bitina na ye ni aye adwuma na ye adwuma no untumi mbekire obi ade onye na okra no during otenwa no boni a odi ye no and ye dey kind de honsem bebre e dey ka brem na ene former Attorney General Deputy Attorney General aba asanso abe sheki maamena enye asam keto akra list na elsen aba e de honsem aba betu da mom yanko na yanko nkoti ensema ekoso medamase
only 2%. It is to say an institutional they have come together and the linkages between the institution will bring results to us. Besides here DC or what for say big constituency Chimansa district on Kosunya Juma Madam Linda Henkra with channel we a Juma Bebre or district Juma SCA ya bompa senya kupomba mana ho de no obi na dwem but to me aye adwuma no Mugabe so far so good. John Dramani Mahama and Chief Justice Nina me fabo 10 minutes o time ni ho me kabom ni pande you ready ni ready. There's no law that will bring you back. And at the end, so when the process started, it started under an article in the Constitution. Constitution yenirani ajedi X zone yenirani ajedi. What you say? Until yaji Constitution naidinu Article 146 and when they set in motion and you said your mama ti baby no town obi. What you say? No, but Article 146 was set in motion because of the constitutional demands. Yen ye swear ni in as president. Inti ya swear ni in now obiako petition no. He has no option than to refer to 146 in its entirety. Or from Article 1 refer to the Council of State.
System 9 is what you're saying.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
The same system that you talk about.
Yes, the same constitution. Who is the NDC lawyers for penny? He said it over the weekend. Say Okwechiri Tokono pa nipa Osman nipa mi.
And I said the law is the law.
There be no Odum said the law is the law is the law. The third parties will not chino. Tianko Okwechiri Akopacho.
And for
anyeye. And I said that yes Okoko tina that is unusual about to me. Na kanisika kakrano.
Mugabe ahoma na chino.
Achino ex neguno so. And tell me the also jana anyeye.
Na ma be ba kono so tise. So Akuffo no say nyane dey.
Anu anka me ba no ho. No, last time we met him.
Probably a bit of a year Supreme Court.
I say Abewa, Uberman, I said, Uberman Abaye, I was 1993. Why did they were my when you put on the Supreme Court from 1993? Not under Rollins. And neck ran me at least many appointments. It's your campaign Cassette NBC, so a chairman of member of the Council of State. What is she bringing? That criticism that she's criticizing. I can criticize John Mahama the same way. What she said, I can say it easily. What is about it? Mugabe is about a personal opinion on 146.
That's what we do.
146 article now. Article was no kind of
Charlotte said the name now.
But on one and make us Chief Justice. Mugabe, she sat on 146 no didn't Charlotte say. And one or same thing 146
and Onono as Chief Justice the name.
She says to me, no, this a lot of say. There's some I want is a member and can was a contempt or Chiwa. Don't be what I to me. After that one in it, she used the same 146 to remove Charlotte. Now, I see 146, so she has problems with the 146. That's why I say I don't begrudge her. Those are personal problems.
But Ghana, how Daniel judge in her own court.
That's what I'm saying that she at the time she's now complaining with this same article. It's unfortunate. Those are her personal opinions and we will not take it because she has worked with it when she was in the institution and she has
the same law.
Yes, the same law. So if you have your personal opinion, that's why you can jump into the sea and be like to drink the water. on send ya umwe mwasi aye Miami ya we ya ji pension kakra no abetena TV so na wo so me papa 1979 ya twa ne pension amano me papa djuma oye ma Ghana ya twa ne pension amano mo so ya mo dio mani sika saa be sine o sa e cancel statement ba be kasa o se dey ya bo fi papa be catch na there will be no decorum. I'm telling you, I've just kept quiet. The kind of words I was coming to use, and you know my echo prison. What's so mean here? And you know my echo prison. What did you do wrong? I'm telling you, what did you do wrong? Yes, son, I'm asking you, what did you do wrong? You're fuck up, boom, the current ruling with judicial, you know, about the one-sided. No man, although I never can say Mugabe, this is the same person. Or Musa Manugo or Trasi or Dieko or Trasi no daily and Muntetri as a Mamae, your Copacho Crowent, yet no a chief justice, and Kofoko Kumasi, Echo Boo Judge, Etu Judge or Bar non him or Sapoe, and then on the what does he do to them? Colored partisan. I don't even know why. Can't you get people to be
but under this the law Council of State also will know be our return.
She's not the only one. She shouldn't come and bluff us. No man can be paying the pension cry. In the room, from 1993, I work for pension cry. You're still government salary. In my any salary. How do we look after our families?
What's everyone from the
oh, come on, go out of the what I want to listen you to learn and listen.
Football Ben will call a Council of State, the football Ben woman.
Oh, Kasawa or Kasawa Bonti. There be on Kasawa, back continue pay. So small.
But she's not the
only. Listen to Justice Ramsay as he spoke. That one guy, Deputy Attorney General, responded perfectly to the woman. Say if you have a personal problem.
Yeah, but sweetie pie.
My ex natural.
I said, I'm ex natural. Me know what I can. Mommy, I'm in from my mom. I saw people be here. The question I'm making is, I say, yeah, mommy, chief, yeah, mommy, Justice Sophia Akuffo. No problem, pan. Retired. No problem, sir. I deal with maintenance.
She has something.
Personal problem with 146. Her personal problem.
I'm not crying. The last person I said, the last person. Who your bar? What did you young bar? Who you saw this same article? And I would remove it. Yeah, my Charlotte or say free home. I brand one year she.
Loretta Lamte, Madame Loretta
Lamte. Yes. From I think NCC or something.
No, Yoko.
No, yes. Thank you.
Move there.
What I said, I would remove you. And now, we so Abba. We cried yet. Now, one seminar airtime. And see, one more dear mover grounds. And I will walk as obedience with the Abeka Sassam is won't be. If I want to work with Kaka, ex natural mineral water Kulu. Okay, 2 hours.
And to Bogabi, Senior Justice Ramsay Ekasaino, who said, Lord, a beer BCB, and I am no BCB. Yes, I bet my chief justice. And Americano, how did you even get there? Let's find out. How did you even get there? Mugabe, let me tell you something. What I've come to find out is that much as when they are in charge of the institutions, they do things with the law. They can have personal problems. But those personal problems, they must find a way to write it out so that we all come to understand and appreciate it and remove it from there. The fact that you have a problem with the law, in retrospect, those opinions, you must hold it to your chest. Yes. Because you were there before and done that with it. Why didn't you change it? Today you go out and you want to complain. You have been mischievous by that decision to even come to the public and speak the way you should.
The last person to
I'm telling you. What Mugabe? It's Mugabe. Sanya, me Kano. Me have affirmative action dada. Wow, it's a semi trabi bi aso. Now you call it.
Yes, and the man need too much.
You can say Mugabe. It's me mom up to 7 years.
About Bonnie did the job.
Mugabe 8 years she never spoke. She kept quiet. She never spoke. She came along with Mugabe. She danced along with Nana Addo Akuffo for all the ills that were done to this country. When you bring matter to court and the judge, you hear.
COVID Sikano. No, almost on Nami was okay.
Oh, Mugabe. No, allegedly, we are told land to about 6,000 Ghana cedis. Land, on for mine, your mine is land, your land the food. on fire land mine near ho don't to me bet we have popo no of popo on free no kokasa o etie no e fa na eyi me adwuma ono Italian ati no o Italian ase obi a wa tra 70 na umpe oba bi ntra ya oba na umpe oba bi ntra o no nana no mi agro e wo fie what you say no e bia pampers o mo koja o mo sa na o do podo na o boa mo what you say e na o ko do boko na do nana no mo to obi ka anto chire anto na o do sa o fie ni ade e wo popo no so e ma e be to if we check it John Mahama so short achievements, there's discipline in his government. I'll be short here. There's teamwork, there's unity of purpose, there's communication flow, if you talk about reset in education, in health, in sports, it's all the major honorable now. No, because from the outside. So you said tomorrow you find your next month. Tomorrow you find your beginning announcement. Mugabe, now maybe you're board member. I'm proud of you. What you people are doing there, combat and yes, I'm telling you, yes, continue to work hard. Yeah, Mugabe. It was not for nothing. Kwame Nkrumah set up the refinery in 1966. He set it up in 61. It was commissioned in January 1966, and then we were working with some Italians until the 80s when we decided to get our own thing and do it. Look, it's a good thing to have the refinery. Downstream, we have oil here. Now, guys, the Kwame Nkrumah don't need to say oil. I don't know. Almost the two scour a year or more account. Almost the account $517 million. As we speak, yes, the car amount to yes. A car, yes, to 570. The within few months now, you'll be surprised. Let me tell you something about your managing director. He's a down-to-earth young man, very humble, who studied the ropes and where he is. He's on top of his job. That's why I'm saying that a Wadaku trained him very well, and he also learned on the job very well. He has attained his academic laurels, and he pays attention to every detail. I remember when he was appointed, if you look at his status, the humility with which he accepted the appointment. As for me, now I will support you, the deputy managing director at all. I will support all that you do, and I pray, I'm praying, bring the goods to the market. Are you aware, sir, under John Mahama, Go face, the man is coming back. Yes, the taking control. Yeah, the government has to do so. That would be interesting. And the other ones in the expire in 2027. But you see, when you study history, and you know the history of a people, and you are governing them, it's easy for you to go back and pick the history, pick the fine lessons, and use it. That's John Dramani Mahama. He studied history. Yes, yes. Look, it's not for nothing. I know Madam will talk about it. That 24-hour thing, and that Volta River Corridor Development Project. Read Kwame Nkrumah's 1963 to 1970 development plan. Fantastic. And you appreciate why he has brought it back. So for me, like I said, this government is on its way to success. Solution oriented, like I told you, their discipline, their teamwork is intact, their focus, the unity of purpose is, yes, and the linkages between the government agencies. Also, I say narcotic control. Gold, I have small and I'm the gold board. Yes, Obamante. Yes, a board time, a year COP retired, a year. Say, Mugabe, right to do. Yes, we have had security experience and drug enforcement agency training before. And then the gentleman at gold board, Sami Jenfi. Mugabe, who come every now, she has a video of I say, Russia angel. Become a money who. Yeah, Sami Jenfi, he will never close from work. He will sit down and make sure the work is done. And the team around him, his deputy, Dr. Siama, governor of the Bank of Ghana. All of them hard-working people. Hard-working, they are committed. Oh, only the old lady alarm person will white handkerchief. Whilst he is quiet on our side and fixing the city against the dollar, Bawumia is making noise on the other side. Meanwhile, we'll transfer our digitals. Say, what do I say? I say, what a friend, I don't. I don't call a question. Hey, what are you there? We got this. I got to say, I'm friend of him. It is in the it is in the public domain. Oh, Bogabi, where evidence based. Oh, Bogabi, Bawumia, what a video. When the car crashed, I know it's not public space. Without listen, childhood friends, when the family make the family. My father used to stay in Tamale, so the child for anything better. I don't want to hurt his feelings, but we are born to be president. Of course, through a bathroom, or we need the party prime minister. I, Alistair Tyro Nelson, I will make sure he will never be president. They shouldn't come after me. They should go after them own selves. Do their own thing. Send Americano. But they don't come there because you lose. I'm telling you, you lose. But you think we are coming? Only say NDC will have a power crisis because John Mahama will not be running 2020. Yes. God has sealed it already, and they will support. I'm American. They will, yes, and they will go ahead and support the person to victory for the NDC to stay in power for the coming years. Mugabe, Mami black saffron.
I had a little bit about the community about the time. If you are now, it's
water.
Dog, young guy.
Ex-water, Mamas Menin Kaka.
So you do be a crowding.
I just want to be ridiculous with some of my statements against Yamame. Just retired Justice Sophia Akuffo. Any topics in the new now.
Okay.
Me fa CG no matter very brief because the law is the law.
The law is the law.
What I say?
Fantastic.
Third participant.
Fantastic.
The law is the law. Is the law. What I say? Well, no, according to the former CG Justice Tukono, was the law is the law. And I papa Abambabe, Speaker of Parliament, and so on. Also, I am running for power. Also, can't say no. She was wrong. It's supposed to be the law is the law is the law. Until men can be big. I can't make a fan on say. Sanya Mahama Sophia Akuffo na kofa asem we buy anka. Senka, but now they sleeping dogs in Komada. Ananwa. Because here you know, it's the law. Nothing can be done. And obi antumi nye de bia reverse. Ye you know, send you yi Charlotte say obi antumi anya ho hwe no. Ye you know, and ye you know. What you say? The em then say His Excellency one fan personal or follow procedure you dey remove CJ and no follow ye. When you see same article 146 no and I will remove him anyway. What your article now? Clause 1 no, I can say article 146(1) no. Or say CJ, you didn't answer. And some able to me, you know, this will be petition the President of the Republic. Petition angle. Secondly. Okay.
Same as Charlotte say.
And yes, Anna Charlotte said the
Exactly.
Okay. And I will share I think it's A under article 146(1)(a). Or can for who say and some ye be you bet to me agina so say you free so and I see a better now crasam. Prima facie na say president refer my CJ no. One farmer no.
What about Council of State?
What is all my CJ no? Yeah. What the man who said the simplest way and can be a beginning the shout to say say I'm a public domain or general normal no question them. But that's how it's supposed to be. President CJ say so be here so the man CJ.
About public domain.
But man when I'm so you're very litigant and very stubborn and lawless or the other day.
The public,
which is against
like the word stubborn.
What is it? Well, you're very stubborn, so uncle food in it. But the ref say when it comes to stubbornness, or you're stubborn, but you will be with what you say. And all about public qualified ones like myself. Me, I know I'm very stubborn. I know, but it's a win. I don't know. That's what Mugabe said. But I have more addressing and see you. NDC member of the communication team. What you say? Maybe Prime Minister address me as such. NDC, I'm first you will send me a man. Testimony who say we are doing politics. What you say? President the man, because of her stubbornness, not so that they are about public domain. I don't know whether she wanted to gain some public sympathy or what. What I say? That was very wrong. Wrong. And what she for that very disrespectful.
Yes.
As I could and one about say President and constitute a committee
who do press conferences
in consultation with the Council of State members. President Wanyanisana. Okay. In the process, no. And yama bet yama me yet me in a few sujanema. Number 1, incompetence. Number 2 misbehavior. President Ifra committee ni we consult members of the Council of State constitutive committee no. Omo atena se aye adwuma. Omo ye adwuma wie omo the report Akroma president. And according to Article 1469, say committee let us see juma days upon days we are. And so the recommendation comma president. One more demand a president should act in accordance to the committee's report. What's the nature of say? And the president acted in accordance to the committee's report, which is very constitutional. Now, my dear say president. President will book constitution.
Yes, and could be impeached.
Yes, president may impeach no. So because one kasa unim say one forces is what move process we more be see committee net na say eh adwuma bi near the recommendations by so the adwuma. President is one lawless person. Obumra no obi a constitution no it was the same constitution na kasa nu niema no aye adwuma. Sir. Ada na ye man sleeping dog under. Is this the first time? Yeah, you saw Article 146 will Ghana. Eddie, you or buy every post. Is this the first time?
No.
Is it going to be the last time?
No.
And so we are CJ, we are wine, we are bar, we are Bema. We ban now misbehavior. Article 146, you know, say do set time I say apply, apply. This is not going to be the first. It's not the first. They applied it against Alotose.
And it worked.
And it worked. Yeah. And today I must see when Kwa feeling so special. I think a BB that has to do with MPP for that sense of entitlement. Now, we feel so much bonia and so your question and answer your right to do anything. So that's why MPP
say wait here. What do you mean by something is not bonia?
Now, Alotose then what is it?
Committee net na se no. Omo establish baby say A B C D na we yentiana. And e di you na. So what do you say the baby obeko na?
Committee is this is the recommendation. What you say? It's here me one for anya ma ye me council I am me for
2 hours. No,
I say na ya to say ya ma me no yes we need defo. Onu dey obi antimi and can be you can't take data from her. Next we need
discipline.
Now at this stage be an answer. Capacity and our capabilities and so I'm just being cautious. Yes, so you're steady. What I say? Just steady. Now some you feel will be crab can be what I say? You use the same thing to remove shout or say or be uncomplaining. Then they used to the same statement. What? It's in Makasa when we remain Kanko Bibia. Adeba Kwan Bugabe and the Pioneer. Achievements of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
8 months in office.
8 months in office. Or be 8 years in office to claim group Papa. That was how we born your medicine. You find sector by sector.
Yeah.
Okay, abusuya wene ensma ekoso ewo political highway so Alesta na yetene nkase odema eye former Chief Justice Sophia Akuffo left right center back enye asam keto akra beda masesa moje pene kokoti sa ensemwe e de mai aha eye Ghana Politics Avenue so beda mase